This story does not sound true at all.
Really, I at beginning I also think so. It's not true, but why he lied to me? If somebody is some guy betrayed by your friends and your girlfriend, it's so embarrassing to talk to another person, right? But
Yeah.
why he talked to me? I think I have no reason.
So, Sasha, maybe I can help you here. The level of modesty and the level of shyness, it changes from culture to culture, from country to country. And also at the same time, when you are dealing with the internet and you're dealing with meeting people online, you should take everything with a grain of salt, take everything easy. Don't have high expectations of people because you will feel hurt when we have high expectations of others. So don't
I
trust
just
everything on the internet.
okay.
Don't believe everything on the internet. It's tough because there's so much truth and falsehood mixed together, and no one really knows what's going on.
Yes. So from that experience, I don't trust. I don't have a high expectations. I was just so naive. I have a kind-hearted person and I want to believe someone.
I know. I've been there myself.
Time will heal my broken heart.
I'm sorry you felt that way.